So this is Hotel Bazar, and like it has so many cool features. So I just checked in before. I'm staying here for a few nights in Rotterdam. So I'll go quickly through here. So there's like all of these like nice lights and like different, it's kind of Moroccan inspired, and then the big mirrors in lots of places, this kind of carpet. And you come through and there's a double bed here. And there's a lamp up there if you can see it. Like really cool colours and like nice big window that looks out onto Witte de Withstraat. So I'll just show you this is a really cool street. It's like very arty, this area, like quite boho. So with things that are here, like a little table chair. Like even the bin's got like a really cool things on it. There's telephone, TV, and then in here, so this bit is like the mini bar, and there are drinks there. This has just got more pillows on and somewhere to hang your clothes. I haven't unpacked yet, but that's on there. And then if you go back towards the door, this is quite funny. It's like one of those kind of beaded things, which is okay while I'm by myself, but not sure how I would feel if I was sharing with someone. Toilet here, sink. They even have like little toiletries and stuff, which is cool. And then this shower, which looks really nice. So it's kind of a wet room and like nice tiles and everything. But just all of the features are like really cool. And downstairs they have a brilliant restaurant that has lots of different Moroccan inspired things like hummus and all of those different things. So I'm really looking forward to breakfast is included, and it's a really nice place, and I like a lot of the detail of it, and also the food. I think like those are the two things that you come for. It's a great location too.